This drive-through is so long. Guys, I've been in this queue now for 1.5 hours. I am busting to pee. I need to pee so bad. Oh dude, I'm busting.
Are you a Susan?
No.
Oh, bugger. You Joy?
Yes.
Joy, let's play catch.
I don't want to play catch, I told you.
Come on, just a little bit.
No. Oh. So we're in lockdown again. We've been in lockdown for like 5-6 days now, and this one's going a bit insane. He hurt his knee. He went skiing, snowboarding, hurt his knee, and then just kept snowboarding. He had a crack as well, so now he can't walk properly or do any exercise. And if you know any, that was so close. You look shit. I nearly banged my camera. Anyway, Ethan is like the most athletic person I have ever met, so he has a lot of built up energy right now that he can't release. So he's making me play catch.
You could film us playing catch.
You just need to get a dog or like a son or something. I need a son, he says. About 2 hours ago, we just found out that the lockdown has been extended for another week. You're allowed to be with your significant other because, you know, otherwise people would go probably insane. Cut my bangs this morning, which I think I'm actually happy with how it turned out. I don't know, I feel like I always struggle to see if I like bangs until I see like photos and videos. Like I'll probably only see what it actually looks like when I watch this vlog footage back. I just wanted to do a little catch up and talk to you guys because I feel like I haven't talked to you guys properly since lockdowns started. The rules are we have to stay at home, except we are allowed to go out for food obviously, and we are also allowed to go out and work if we have essential work, and we're allowed to go out, I believe, to do physical exercise. Yesterday we actually went kayaking, which was so nice, and actually just such a great activity for like a lockdown exercise because it's such a good workout on your arms. You get to go out in nature and you're super isolated away from everyone because obviously like in the middle of the ocean. As you guys saw, there was whales and dolphins. I just didn't even capture how incredible it was. But yeah, I obviously owe all that footage to Sean, who we met out in the ocean, who was also kayaking, and he had his phone and captured some of the content. So that's how you guys got to see that. Making light of the situation we are in, I'm just really enjoying time at home, and I feel like I've just been getting stuff done that I've been wanting to get done for a long time, and just I want to continue just being productive and just enjoying my home, my garden, being outside. The weather has just been so nice that it's just like every morning I've just been waking up and being like, yes, I want to do what I can today. It's been such a nice relaxing day. Ethan's inside reading. I've just been beading most of the day, getting orders done. If you guys don't know, I actually sell my beaded jewelry on my Instagram, so if you wanted to check that out. It's just been so nice to be able to still work and do something that I love and is just so therapeutic, like beading. Most days it's just been really lovely, and just very, very, very grateful for all the continuous support and to be able to, you know, experience a lockdown like this. I think I'm a bit like nervous or apprehensive about posting this video because I know COVID is like such a sensitive topic for a lot of people, and I just don't want it to come across like I take for granted what I have. I don't know, I guess I just hope that this video will uplift you guys and, you know, you get some of the comfort that I'm trying to give to myself through this video, especially because these times can be so rattling and difficult. I don't know, I've just seen other YouTubers share their perspectives on like isolation and getting COVID and just getting slammed in the comments because people feel they're not really like considering how hard it can be for some people and just the whole situation as a whole. So I hope you guys know, like, I'm obviously not covering everything I could about COVID and sharing every perspective. All I'm doing in this video is sharing my perspective of this week. Yeah, I really hope you guys are all safe. I hope this video can help in some way. I'm sending my love, and yeah, I think this time is really, really confusing. On a lighter note, me and Ethan have been watching the whole Harry Potter series since being in lockdown, and we're about to watch the 7th one tonight, and I am so excited.